In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag and dropped frames in OBS Studio. This is a common issue many streamers face, and it can be quite frustrating when you're trying to deliver a smooth, professional-looking stream. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of tweaking some settings in OBS Studio to help minimize these problems. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it. First up, you'll want to open up the OBS Studio application on your computer. Double-click the OBS icon or find it in your applications list and make sure it's fully loaded. Once you've got OBS open, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll see a section labeled Controls. Give that a click. It's your gateway to a host of settings that we'll be exploring today. After clicking on Controls, you'll see a menu. What you want to do next is select the Settings option. This is where we begin customizing OBS to better suit your streaming needs and to help address common issues like lag and dropped frames. Now, inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several tabs on the left-hand side. Click on Output to bring up the options related specifically to your stream's performance. This section determines how the program encodes your video output, and it's crucial for ensuring a smooth streaming experience. Within the output settings, direct your attention to Streaming Settings. It should be right there when you open the Output tab. The streaming settings are key to altering how your content is processed and sent to platforms like Twitch or YouTube. This is where we'll be focusing much of our efforts today. Next, from the streaming settings, proceed to Encoder Settings. This section allows you to choose the software or hardware that will encode your video for streaming. If you have a capable graphics card, utilizing GPU encoding can reduce CPU load and improve performance. It's often recommended to start with an NVIDIA NVENC encoder if it's available, as this can often offer better efficiency and quality for many streaming setups. Finally, you'll want to click on Bitrate. This is perhaps the most impactful setting when it comes to managing lag and dropped frames. Bitrate determines the amount of data your internet connection uses to send data to streaming platforms. Generally, a higher bitrate means better video quality, but if your internet can't handle it, this can cause significant lag and dropped frames. A good starting point is to set it at between 2500 to 3000 kbps for 720p streams, or 3000 to 6000 kbps for 1080p. Adjusting this according to your upload speed and the platform's recommendations can make a significant difference. And there you have it. By adjusting these settings in OBS Studio, you should be able to see a noticeable improvement in your stream's performance. Remember, each system is different, so it may take some trial and error to find the perfect balance for your setup. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!